guys, it's your girl Natalia.Armoni. Welcome back to my channel. So this hair is from VSHOW hair. In this video I'll be showing you how I applied it start to finish. So I'm not going to say too much, but if you want to see how I installed this hair and got this style, then keep on watching. Okay, so I just bit the shit out of my tongue. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's just get started on the first step, which is the bowl cap method. So first, what I like to do, as you can see, like my edges run crazy. They do whatever they want to do. I like to slick them back using the Got To Be styling gel, and this stuff like really has a nice hold on my edges. They don't leave them all crusty and white. It really just does a nice job of just holding the edges back. Then I take my edge brush. You can get this at your local beauty supply store, and I just like to brush the edges back and make them nice and smooth. They're all pushed back. I like to take my blow dryer on cool and blow dry it dry. Now that we've slicked our edges back, we're gonna go ahead and apply the wig cap. This is the wig cap that I'm using today, and it actually came with my VSHOW hair. Thank you VSHOW hair for that, because I hate going to the retail store and getting wig caps. And this is the color, which is perfectly fine. I like going for a wig cap that's like closest to my skin tone, so I don't have to put foundation on it. And we're gonna stretch it down like so, and then we're going to take some scissors and just cut a hole right where the ear is. Just like so, so the stocking cap can lay nice and flat. Now we're going to take our Got To Be styling gel. Oh my goodness, I hate this part because I be looking so crazy. Anywho, now we're going to take our Got To Be styling gel and we're going to spray it on the hairline. Make sure you really spray it right here on your sideburns part, because that's where I tend to get like lifted from first, and you don't want that. And I like to spray a little bit on my cornrows just to make, you know, further ensure that the stocking cap is going to be on. So ultimately what the stocking cap is doing is protecting your hair underneath the wig, and also creating like a fake scalp method for your lace wig. So now I'm going to take my blow dryer again on cool and blow dry this completely dry. Okay guys, now that your stocking cap is completely dry, make sure it's completely dry, because you do not want it to be still wet, because it can lift. You don't want this to lift at all. So make sure it's completely dry, and once it's completely dry, I like to take some eyebrow scissors. You can use like any scissors that you want. I like using eyebrow scissors because it allows me to get as close as I can without cutting myself. So I like using eyebrow scissors, and then what I'll typically do is start with the ears first. So I just cut it and then start cutting the excess cap off. Okay, so this is how it should look once you cut all the excess cap off. You're looking like a bald head scallywag. I ain't got no hair for that. If you did use like a lighter cap, this is the time where you put your foundation or anything, concealer, that's closest to your skin tone. But since I did use a brown cap that's pretty close to my skin tone, I do not have to use foundation. So now it's time for us to apply our wig, and this is the wig that I'll be applying today. This wig is from VSHOW hair. This is their Peruvian water wave hair, and I'm just gonna give y'all a quick look on the inside. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck it a bit. I didn't dye it jet black, so this is the natural hair color. This is a 13x4, but I don't know, because the lace to me looks very slim, especially like on the sides. Like you probably wouldn't be able to have a side part unless you have like the side part right here where it's more lace at. But I typically like my wigs to have more lace than this, but it's okay, we're gonna work with it. And inside it has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. And then also it has the adjustable straps and back lace, which I'm about to cut off right now. And now let's put this baby on our head, see how it looks. This hair texture is so freaking cute. So now I'm just going to measure out the ear tabs, because I like cutting the ear tabs before I glue it down, just because it lays better. You know, I wouldn't have to like go back in after I put the glue on and like fix it and stuff. Okay, so now that we cut our ear tabs and it's looking like it's going to be fitting really nice, now we can start applying our adhesive. But first, you want to clean off our hairline with alcohol. I'm using 91%. And we're cleaning off the hairline so we can get any type of dirt or oil off our face and our glue can stick properly. And don't directly put the glue on top of your skin after you clean it off with alcohol. Like, wait for the alcohol to dry a little bit. Like, you don't want to mix the glue in with the alcohol and then it's going to cause your glue to just not work right. So let the alcohol dry for a bit and then put the glue on. Now you want to use your adhesive. Today I'm using the Bow Hold Extreme Cream. What I like to do is dot it on first, and I like to dot it on like right on the stocking cap a bit, because I use the glue to just seal down the ends of the stocking cap that may have still been lifted up. So I like to just dot it on right here at the edge of the stocking cap. What I'm going to do is take a wooden stick and smooth it out nice and even. Spread it out. You want to make sure that the glue dries completely clear before you put on your second layer. Once it's dry, now you can add your second layer. And this layer we're going to put more so on our skin. Okay, now our second layer is on. We're gonna let this dry clear, and then time for the third. So now that the glue is dry, we're going to pull our excess lace into the glue. So I'm going to start with the front first. I'm going to pull it and lay it right in the glue. Now I'm going to go from side to side. What we're going to do is start cutting the excess lace off, and I like to cut it section by section. So I just make 2 sections by cutting it right in the middle, and then I'm going to take my razor comb to cut close to the hairline in a sawing motion. Okay guys, so now we want to go ahead and do our baby hairs. I'm going to take my Garnier Fructis hairspray. I'm going to spray it directly on the edge brush. We're going to start scooping out our baby hairs. Okay guys, so here's the final result on the hair. Oh my goodness, it is so freaking cute. This hair is bomb. Like, I'm really feeling it. I love the texture. It's super soft. It doesn't shade really that much. I didn't experience any tangling yet so far, and this is the hair just wet. I didn't put any product to it or anything like that. The only thing I would say is I did have a problem with the lace being like kind of dark. I don't know if you guys can tell. If you were lighter than me, I don't know if this lace will really work out for you. Like, I kind of like finessed it and made it work, but I don't know how it will be like if I said, like I said, if you're lighter than me. But that's the only con that I have. They may offer other lace colors, I'm not sure. Other than that, this hair is so freaking bomb and I love it. And again, this hair is from VSHOW Hair. This is their Peruvian water wave, 22 inches, and I'm gonna give y'all a length check. It comes right here to me, and I am 5'3". That's pretty much it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Also, go ahead and comment your thoughts down below. You know, I always love talking to you guys and I always respond to your comments. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, because I'm coming with the videos. I'm bringing the heat y'all don't want to miss. So I love you all as always, and I'll see you in my next video.